This video is an introduction to CCTV camera installation for beginners. Let's start by looking at the components that you need to completely set up a CCTV camera system. The very first component I would like us to look at is the CCTV cameras. Here are examples of CCTV cameras. They come in various sizes and shapes depending on whether they are to be installed indoor or outdoor, or the specific function they perform. Apart from CCTV cameras, here are examples of CCTV video recorders that you may find in a typical CCTV camera installation. These devices house what we call hard drives or surveillance drives on which the CCTV videos are stored. This type of recorders that come with these BNC inputs on them are referred to as digital video recorders, or DVR for short. They are used for AHD or analog high definition CCTV camera installations. This other one, which is at the top, is called a network video recorder. They are used for IP camera installations. And so the choice of either an NVR or a DVR depends on the kind of cameras you are using. If you are using IP cameras, you will be using an NVR, and if you are to be installing AHD or analog high definition cameras, they require the DVR or the digital video recorder. Apart from CCTV cameras and the CCTV video recorders, there is the need for connecting cables that connect from the cameras to the recorders. And that is when this kind of cables come in. The two cables, or the two type of cables I'm holding, is because there are specific cables for installing analog cameras and there are specific cables for installing digital cameras, the digital or IP cameras. And so this is the type used for analog CCTV cameras. They are called coaxial cables fitted with BNC connectors, whilst network or IP cameras utilize what we call the Cat5 or Cat6 network cables for their installation. Once you have these three parts, that's the cameras, a recorder, and the connecting cables, you can set up a complete CCTV camera system. But you realize that the cameras are electronic devices of which they require power supplied to them to be able to function, as well as the NVR as well, or the DVR. They all require power supplied into them for them to function, and hence the need for power supplies in the CCTV camera installation. These two devices that I have here provide means of supplying power to CCTV cameras or CCTV systems. For example, the one at the top here is a PoE switch, which is used for supplying power to network or IP cameras, whilst this type is a power supply unit for powering up analog or AHD CCTV cameras. Apart from the CCTV cameras, the video recorders, the connecting cables from the cameras to the recorders, as well as the power supply systems, a means of monitoring the CCTV camera system is also an important part of the CCTV camera installation, which can either be a TV set or a normal computer monitor, or even on a mobile phone. That is also a means of monitoring. And so in summary, these are the parts that you require to set up a complete CCTV camera system, be it an analog or IP or digital CCTV camera system. In my next video, I will be teaching about the types of CCTV cameras. If you find value in this video, please ensure you subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification so that you can always be notified anytime we come up with a new video like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.